Some BMW M5 owners spend more on repairs than their car payment. Others drive bulletproof machines for six figures. Today, we're ranking every M5 generation so you know exactly which ones to hunt down and which ones to run from. I've seen M5s rack up 15 grand in repairs before 60,000 miles. I've also seen them hit 200,000 with nothing but routine maintenance. The difference between those two scenarios? Everything comes down to generation selection. Rank number 7. E34 M5, 1988 to 1998. Twin-turbo S38 B36 engine. Beautiful car, terrible business decision. Head gasket failures plague these machines around 80,000 miles. Turbo seals don't last. Parts availability is a nightmare because it's 30 years old. Here's the thing though, if it's been sorted by a specialist, it's a legend. That's the catch. You're not buying a car, you're buying someone else's restoration project. Rank number 6, E60/E61 M5, 2005 to 2010. V10 engine, the most expensive engine ever bolted into a sedan. Carbon buildup clogs the valves constantly. The SMG transmission has legendary problems. Clutch packs fail, hydraulics leak. Maintenance costs run 8 to 12 grand annually for the paranoid owner. That V10 screams though. It's intoxicating. But intoxication and monthly $1,000 bills don't mix well. Rank number 5, E39 M5, 1998 to 2003. S62 V8 engine. Rod bearing failure is the elephant in the room. Not every example suffers it, but enough do that you're gambling. Cooling system issues, Vanos problems, suspension bushings wear fast. Maintenance sits around 4 to 6 grand per year if you're preventative. The silver lining? They're becoming collectible. Buy low, hold long enough, and you might not lose money. Might. Rank number 4, F10 M5, 2012 to 2016. Twin-turbo S63 engine. This is where BMW got serious about reliability. DCT transmission is significantly more durable than earlier versions. Carbon buildup still happens, but less catastrophically. Average maintenance runs 3 to 5 grand yearly. Water pumps fail around 80,000 miles. Minor issue in the grand scheme. The F10 is the first M5 where ownership feels manageable rather than reckless. Here's what nobody tells you. Most M5 catastrophes aren't manufacturing defects, they're deferred maintenance. Skip one oil change, ignore one warning light, and a bulletproof car becomes a financial crater. Mechanics dread them not because they're unreliable. They dread them because owners are often in denial about repair costs. Rank number 3, G30 M5, 2018 to 2023. Twin-turbo S63 engine with 30 more horsepower than the F10. Stepped-up interior, better infotainment. Early turbos occasionally fail around 60,000 miles. Surprisingly, few issues beyond that. Maintenance hovers around 3 to 4 grand yearly. The G30 is still new enough that long-term data is limited, but initial reports are solid. Rank number 2, F90 M5, 2024 present. Twin-turbo S63 B44 T4 engine with 627 horsepower. Newest generation. Warranty covers most disasters for at least 2 years. Reliability track record exists for a handful of cars. Engine internals appear robust so far. This is the safest financial bet if you're buying new. But it's also the most expensive. $20,000 in depreciation hits year 1, guaranteed. Rank number 1, F90 certified pre-owned 2019 to 2023 range. F90 with the warranty clang hanger already behind you. Prices have dropped 15 to 20% from original. Most bugs are documented and fixed. Maintenance history is available from Carfax. 3 to 4 grand annually keeps it running perfectly. This is the sweet spot. Honestly, Dodge Charger RT or Dodge Challenger RT. Pushrod V8, mechanical simplicity, 10 grand maintenance savings every year. Less prestigious, more reliable, different category entirely. BMW M5 ownership is possible without financial ruin. Just buy the right generation. Comment below, which M5 generation would you gamble on? Or would you take the Dodge instead?